Hello, people. So I'm back from my work, and we are here for day 3, right? We have to post today. I have already done that, okay? So please go and check that out. It's a short video. It's on the day. I couldn't finish my entire day, but whenever it was possible, I did it my best. So yeah, that would really help you. Okay, now it's our day 3, and today's topic is forgive and let go. And this is a very beautiful topic because now letting go is not a very easy task. It's not. You can't. हम बचपन में we used to do like this कि यार उसने अगर if that person has hurt you तो you'll take that and you'll sit on that कि भाई how dare she or how dare he whatever. But later on, life teaches you it's so important to let that thing go. For an example, I remember I saw Zakir said right one in a video कि आपको बनना है prime minister and you're fighting over a कूड़े का topic like the कचरा कि तुमने यहाँ पे क्यों फेंका है something like that. Right? So letting go is so important. Like letting go is one of the hardest thing you will ever do, but it's also one of the most freest thing that you can do in your life. Now we hold on to past में कुछ हो गया है, you're broken up with your boyfriend like the ex, right? Memories, broken memories, your childhood memories कि यार ऐसा हुआ था, it didn't work out. One day I'll tell you my story and I promise it will uplift you. क्योंकि into this journey of 22 years that I've been through, let me tell you, nobody, I genuinely mean this, nobody so far जिन्हों से मैं मिली हूँ have gone through what I have gone through. Might be you have gone through something totally different and totally out of nothing, but one day I will surely share that out with you people. I want the world to know about it, so don't worry about that. I will do that. Okay, so there are times when you have painful words, right? किसी ने तुम्हें कुछ कह दिया and you're like हाँ क्या हो गया ये मेरे साथ, but ठीक है. And situations we wished never happened. मेरे साथ ये बहुत होता है. I'm like wow ये कैसे हो गया, ये तो नहीं होना चाहिए था मेरे साथ, but ये हो गया है. But yeah, we learn and we grow. We replay them again and again. It's like a cycle going on. If you face a difficulty, you're like, मेरे साथ तो ऐसा पहले भी हुआ था, and then this is again is happening, and then you go to a loop where you're remembering all the bad thing that has happened to you so far. Correct. So hoping it will change something, but all it does is hold us back. हम कभी आगे ही नहीं बढ़ पाते उस फेज से या उस चीज से. We never move on. Forgiveness is not about saying it was okay. Forgiveness is not about saying कि यार कोई बात नहीं हो गया. कभी कभार people do these things कि वो तुम्हें forgive तो कर देंगे, but they'll not forget that thing. So here you have to actually forgive and forget. That's how you know that the other person has actually forgiven you. Like that's actually the thing. ठीक है? So it's about choosing peace over pain. I do it. अगर आज के टाइम पे इफ आई हैव हर्ट पीपल और कोई ऐसा देख रहा है जिसको मैंने हर्ट किया हो, राइट, आई वुड रियली टेल यू कि आई एम वेरी सॉरी फॉर दैट. एंड एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे ना अगर मुझे कोई हर्ट करता है, आई नो कि वो उसका इंटेंशन नहीं है, बट देयर माइट बी सिचुएशन इन देयर लाइफ जिसने उनको ऐसा कुछ करने में मजबूर किया होगा. It's very simple, यार. Everybody is going through something that they don't deserve, but वो उस चीज से जा रहे हैं. They are going through that process, so it's okay, right? Now, you forgive because you deserve freedom. You don't forgive because कि कर देते हैं वाला नहीं. unless you forgive people ना, you'll not be free of that burden. तुम नहीं बर्डन आउट, नहीं फ्री हो पाओगे. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, मान लो ये दोनों साइड से होता है, अ पर्सन हु हैज डन अ मिस्टेक एंड अ पर्सन हु हैजंट डन अ मिस्टेक. दिस इज अ टू पार्ट थिंग, ठीक है. एंड one person is asking like sorry वाला scenario where people you need to remember this thing कि अगर तुमने गलती की है at any particular point of time you're supposed to ask sorry for that. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और आजकल के लोग ये चीज नहीं करते थे, लाइक कि ठीक है ना, इट वाज जस्ट अ मिस्टेक. नो, इट वाज नॉट जस्ट अ मिस्टेक, यू आर सपोज्ड टू आस्क सॉरी फॉर इट. सिंपल. ठीक है. ऑन द अदर हैंड द फॉरगिवर पार्ट, दे आर लाइक कि क्यों माफ करूंगा. नो, bend down, it's okay, you're not gonna be broken or something like that, nothing will happen like that. Just when it's okay, things will be so sorted if you're free. Like, come on, do you really wanna breathe with the power of freedom? It's so good. Now, holding anger is like carrying a heavy stone. Absolutely, it is. It makes you rethink again and again, again and again, again and again. वो चलता रहता, चलता रहता, चलता रहता. Why do you want to be in that place? No, I wouldn't. मैं नहीं चाहूंगी कि मैं उस जगह पे हूँ. Never. But yes, sometimes we tend to. ठीक है? Now, it hurts your hand, it slows your step, it exhausts your mind, and the most painful part, the other person may not even know or care about. You see? आप नहीं forgive and forget करते हो, another person doesn't even give a fuck कि भाई तुझे hurt हुआ है, you deserve it and that's it. So you all, whatever you have to do is forgive and forget. It's okay. Just think, अगर कोई भी तुम्हारे साथ कुछ भी गलत करता है ना, just always think one thing. Literally this will change your whole perspective of how you look at a person. अगर कोई तुम्हें hurt कर रहा है, just look at them, ठीक है, like as a normal, जैसे तुम देखोगे, look at them and you're like कि might be that person is not at the right spot at this particular point of time. उसका brain नहीं है उस particular point of time में, which is very true. It really happens, so it's okay. Okay, forgiveness, it doesn't mean forgetting, it means releasing. It means saying, I will no longer let this control my life. And don't forget to forgive yourself too in that process. Right? We are humans and we are tend to make mistakes. Trust me, आज अगर मैं तुम्हें ये चीज बता रही हूँ ना, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बिल्कुल ऐसा दूध की धुली हूँ, नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. I get frustrated. The day I tell you my story, you will actually know who I am today. Because I know it, and people जो मेरे दोस्त हैं who know me from a very long time, they also know this thing. ठीक? You tend to get upset. It's okay. It's a human tendency. It's a feeling. It's an emotion. तुम नहीं control कर सकते हो वो चीज. But what you can let go, let it go. That's very simple language में मैं तुम्हें आज बता रही हूँ. ठीक है? Cool. So don't forget to forgive yourself too in that process, okay? For caring too much, for trusting too deeply, okay? For not knowing better at the time. कभी कभार ऐसा होता है जिंदगी में कि तुम्हारे सामने एक सिचुएशन आया and you don't know how to handle that, and you handle that in a way that you could do it the best possible manner में तुम वो कर सकते थे. ठीक है? वो हो गया. It's done. It's done and it's completed. वो past हो गया. For an example, if I'm shooting this video at this particular point of time, ये मेरे past है. I don't know मैंने क्या बोला है, क्या किया, but अब मैं उस चीज को जाके I cannot sit here and I'm like, oh God, what did I do? मैं पूरा दिन नहीं खराब कर सकती उस पे. I cannot, right? So what do? You learn from your mistake. That is very important. You learn from every move that you take in life. That's very important. ठीक है? Now let go, not because the past changes. तुम forgive इसलिए नहीं कर रहे हो कि हाँ जो तुमने जो हुआ है वो बदल जाएगा, वो तो नहीं बदलेगा. That's still gonna be same. You have been hurt and still you're forgiving, not because that thing will change. ऐसा नहीं होता है. जो हो गया है वो हो गया है. It's done, dusted, and it's over, right? But because you change, तुम बदलोगे. समझ आई बात? I hope that you're able to understand what I'm trying to teach you at this point of time. But yes, um, एकदम से नहीं आएगा. You will understand this thing, and I promise you will understand this thing because at this particular point of time, मैंने ये चीज observe किया है कि in spite of having so much like over motivation speakers, you have so many things, but I haven't seen people being kind. Trust me, I haven't. And अगर मुझे इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे कोई देखना चाह रहा है या देख रहा है ना, प्लीज प्लीज, इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट, मेक इट अ डेली प्रैक्टिस. इंसानियत से बढ़ के और कुछ भी नहीं है. Please get this thing into your this thing, and please, it's one of the best feeling that you can have. It's one of the most magical thing you can think about is कि अगर तुम हो ना तो अगला पर्सन भी एग्जिस्ट करता है, एंड उनकी फीलिंग्स, उनका हर चीज भी वैलिड है. अगर तुम्हारा है तो उनका भी है. So forgive and forget. It's okay. It's okay. You tend to make mistake, and that's a part of your life. It's okay. It's completely fine. Okay. So, and when you let go, peace enters, healings begin, life moves forward again. आप होल्ड बैक करोगे तो कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा जिंदगी में. कहते हैं ना कि यू हैव सीन एन ईगल, दे रिमूव, दे अपना जो टीथ होता है उनका जो है ना, दे वो तोड़ते हैं उस चीज को, राइट, टू गेट अ शार्पर वन. तो दे हैव टू लेट गो ऑफ दैट टू गेट द शार्पर वन. वो एकदम उससे नहीं कर सकते काम. इवन विद द फेदर्स दे डू दिस, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. हाँ, तो यही चीज है. The heavier the baggage, the lower you'll be sluggish. But I have learned this thing again. See, I joined jazz, and then I've learned to uplift myself and walk this way. Anyways, good night. This is all for today. Tomorrow I'll see you again. Hey, bye bye. I love all of my subscribers, and I'm so thankful to have you in my life. So thank you. Bye bye.